today real quick. I keep forgetting books are online. Today we have books online. And welcome back to Yara's reading time. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Not down, up. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're gonna be reading. We're still on the texting page. Okay, let's go to a different app called Epic. And today we're reading Grandma Loves You. And she does. And I have a question for you. Which would you like me to read next? Mommy loves you, Grandpa loves you, or Auntie loves you? But for today, we're reading Grandma Loves You. The moment I saw you, I fell in love. Honey, my bunny, my sweet turtle dove. Wiggling and giggling, you captured my heart. I love you so much, dear, right from the start. Now you're my moon and my star in the sky, my sweet little pea and my sugar plum pie. I hold you and I hug you, my cupcake, my dear. I whisper I love you in your little ear. I tickle your toes, and I hold my and you hold my hand. You are the reason that I am called Grand. Grandma loves you, my cute little one. Honey, my bunny, my bundle of fun. My baby grew up, and now there is you. For you and my baby's baby, that's true. So here is my promise. I want you to know I'll love you forever wherever you go. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story, guys. Bye.